This is going to be the Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE. Going to have a dry weight on this unit of 5,313 pounds with a GVWR of 7,590 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 590 pounds. Your length is going to be 29 feet 7 inches. Freshwater capacity of 40 gallons, black water 30 gallons, gray water of 40 gallons with a 21-foot awning. Hey guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers here. Gonna walk through the Surveyor Legend 252 RBLE with you here today. Looking forward to going through that with you. Starting here at the front, get your power tongue jack for you. Nice double propane tank area for you. They do give you a nice little leash spot here for your animals. Keep it nice and convenient for you. We'll continue around the corner here. You'll see the outside storage here, and this is a nice pass through, so it goes all the way through to the other side. Great little space for you as well. Gives you a nice length awning here. LED going the full length of it there for you. Nice little light for you at night. See your outdoor speakers, and then you've got your TV hookup down here as well for your full outside entertainment. Surveyor Legend gives you a nice little small outside kitchen area here. You might be asking yourself, well, that looks a little bare. Well, they do provide you sorry, forgot about it, flat top grill. And you can just sit that in here for you. Gives you a nice little area for you. We'll walk around here to the back of the unit. Do give you roof access with a ladder here, and then a nice cargo rack for you. These are going to have a 200-pound capacity with the tire on it. That leaves you 150 pounds that you can put stuff on for you to haul to and from the campsite. So nice for you there as well. Surveyor Legend also gives you a black water tank flush on the outside. And then you've got rear view camera prep as well as solar prep on these units. Really set up nicely for some nice camping. So let's step inside here and take a look on the inside. All right guys, here we are on the inside of the unit, the kitchen / living space. Pretty decent space for you. You can see just as you come in the door, your control panel here to operate the slides, your awning, everything. Nice convenient spot for you. Gives you a nice little sink here, pretty deep sink as well. And then the sink covers also double as cutting boards for you as well. Give you a larger one and a smaller one there. So it makes it very nice for you. Great storage for you. Bottle opener on the counter there for you as well. And then again, some more storage above as well. So beside that, you're gonna get your 3-burner stove with your oven and microwave as well. Fridge is going to be beside that. We'll see that here as we go down the hallway in just a minute. Entertainment center over here, nice size TV, radio, connect via Bluetooth to your phone and run the sound either inside, outside, or both, whatever the time allows. Got a nice little booth dinette here. Of course, this lowers down into a bed, makes a nice little sleeping area for a smaller child for you as well. All right, so in the living space, gives you a nice little reclining, 2-person couch here, right across from the TV. Gives you a nice little area here to relax of an evening or morning or whatever. And then above your dinette, give you a nice little amber accent lighting. Especially of the evening, you don't want all the lights on, just need a little bit of light. That makes it great for you there. So here we are in the bathroom. You can see, again, Surveyor Legend gives you that porcelain toilet, not the usual plastic RV toilet, so doesn't it make it really nice and sturdy for you there. You can see beside that a nice size storage area for you for linens, clothes, whatever. A nice deep storage cabinet for you there. Then you've got your sink with a nice little medicine cabinet above that for you, and then your control panel for your water heater, water pump, everything right below that, and then a nice decent sized shower for you. Again, giving you another skylight, give you a little extra headroom for those that might be a little bit taller. All right, so situated between the bathroom and your kitchen living space, nice little small hallway. Gives you a pantry on one side, a nice amount of storage for you. And then directly across from that pantry for you is going to be your fridge. Nice size fridge for you, freezer, refrigerator for plenty of storage as well there. All right, here we are in the bedroom on this unit. Nice walk around space for you to get to both sides of the bed. Gives you storage on both sides of the bed with a cabinet and a drawer for some clothes, whatever. Going to get USB and regular outlets on both sides of the bed for you. And then at the head of the bed, both sides, going to give you a little shelf space, cup holder, you know, whatever you might want to put back there, makes it very nice. And then a nice little, window for you, kind of over the bed there. Let that morning light in, or, the moonlight of an evening makes it nice. Over here in the corner, going to give you your TV backer with your connections for you to be able to put a TV in here if you would like. That is entirely up to you. So that is the Surveyor Legend, guys. I appreciate you taking time to go through it with me. Got any questions on this unit or any other unit? Feel free to give us a call. I'm at extension 1000. Love the chance to talk things over with you. Earn your business. Most importantly, get you out there camping. Enjoy the lifestyle. Guys, have a great day. See you on the next one.